vlog! Hi vlog! Go, hi vlog!
Saan yung dalawang bubbles? Chat mo, Bex. Papasukin mo na.
Nasaan na sila? Ang daming tao.
Ang dami bumaba. Mainit eh.
Woo!
Dami people.
Asa sila? Saan na sila?
Welcome.
Welcome!
Ano ba yan?
Hi vlog! Hi vlog!
Ayan, check ka na doon.
Hi vlog!
Attendance, parang ganun. Aga-aga, siguro yung nakita
Hi
ko eh.
Mika!
Ay, naitigil mo na yun. Kaya na ako.
Sir Dan! Stop the fucking bell! Sir Dan.
Shit, walang chat.
Coach! Ano masasabi mo sa first day?
Mainit.
Mainit.
Mainit talaga.
Mainit talaga. Coach! Magulong first day po.
Tatlong buwan ba naman kayo di magkita-kita? Gusto ko nga silang kotongan isa-isa eh. Sana, Charing! Init ba eh?
Init.
Alam ngayon, alam na daw.
Bandang-bandadan.
Semento ni Mayor.
Para social yung entrance.
Yung feeling na mas matatangkad pa sa'yo yung grade 11.
Oo nga eh. Kita nyo ba sila? Kasi ako
Hindi namin sila nakita.
Hindi ko sila kita.
Init ba eh?
Roslyn!
Ken!
Asa na kayo? Nananawagan po kami sa mga kaibigan namin na mayapa. Mayapa?
Sa mga kaibigan namin dito ng tabat, Char.
Pumasok na kayo?
Pumasok na kayo.
Asa na kayo?
Asa na kayo?
Ayun nandun sila eh! Na-joke.
May kapapalilis talaga ano eh. Kyla!
Kyla?
Galang!
Asa na itong mga taong to? Guys?
Punyeta na.
Ba't nasa
Tulong pa kayo mga yun eh.
ba't nasa initan pa kasi tayo?
Ewan ti. Bumiro ko.
Round na lang pa nyo. Okay. Alright. Deb.
Yeah.
Reset!
Power finding ba?
Hello, vlog! Divine! Eto na! Ito na talaga!
Bis,
Hindi ako lilipat! Hindi ako lilipat! Jen! Hello, vlog! Jen! Hindi ako lilipat!
Tiba-tiba sa inyo si Hoy, tiba-tiba sa inyo si
This is the view, everybody. Ah! Hindi ka na mahulog yung phone ko.
Maling itali.
Andun sa loob. This is the view, everybody. This is the first day of school. It's so magulo. First day of school! Woo! So if I were to cut classes, I would go here. No, I'm just kidding. Do not cut classes, it's bad. So, hey guys, what's up? Lauren here, and it is currently 1:40 a.m. So, I didn't have much of a complete vlog today, and I'm terribly sorry for that because yesterday was like a jam-packed day and all we did was study, and we can't get our phones out, so I couldn't vlog. But yeah, I'll make it up to you. And I know I didn't post again last Friday. It is because we had a family ish, which is technically private. You guys will understand. I'm terribly sorry again, and I'm sorry if I look so groggy and sleepy, because I really am. And yeah, I just finished my homework actually, and yeah, so if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and don't forget to hit subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on social media. My snap code's gonna be right here somewhere in the screen. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's Lorme with 4 A's and 3 E's. And yeah, I'll make it up to you, and I promise you I will upload on Friday. Friday's vlog is somewhat inspirational, if you would, and it's more on like an interview type of vlog, if that made sense. And with all that being said, with I'll see you on Friday. So Laura here, peace out.